In this video, I'll be showing you how to call on laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now you can make and receive phone calls directly on your laptop by linking it to your smartphone. So what you want to do is click on the start menu and then, or just go ahead and click your Windows icon and then type in phone link like so. Then go ahead and click on it. Now, once it opens up, it's going to look something like this. But what you're going to initially see, because I'm already connected to my Samsung phone, what you will initially see, however, is a get started button application. Then choose your specific device ecosystem, whether it's Android or iPhone. And then you're going to see a QR code placeholder graphic. So then what you're going to have to do is just go over to your, firstly, just make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your phone. And then once it is turned on, all you got to do is go over to your device's camera, again, whether you're on iPhone or Android, and just scan that QR code. Once you scan it, just return back to the application, and as you just saw, you're going to be able to like call or anything like that. Like I can go over to calls right now, and then I can make and receive calls from the PC. I just got to go ahead and get started. I need to make sure my PC Bluetooth is turned on as well. Then it's going to say to pair my device. I need to get started and make sure Bluetooth is turned on my phone. So what I'm going to do is press setup right here. It's going to be checking my device. So in my instance is checking my S25 Ultra phone, and it's just going to be going ahead and turning Bluetooth on. So I got to go ahead and check my notifications, and I just need to make sure that if I have any notifications for it, connecting or anything, just to basically enable it. But then once it connects, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.